Hello sir, my name is Vinay Kumar. I am from IT section. In today's video, we will be going over some essential JavaScript concepts like variables, arrays, functions, objects, and loop. If you are just starting out with JavaScript or want quick refresher, this video is of you. Make sure to watch till this end and sharing a sample code for each concept. Let's get started. Variables. First, we'll talk about variables. In JavaScript, variables are used to store data values. You can declare a variable using three keywords: var, let, and constant. While var was traditionally used and let constant are now preferred in modern JavaScript due to better scoping rules. Here an example for declaring variables. In JavaScript, var is declared as old variable and this is a var variable, and let is equal to new variable, this is a let variable, and constant is declared as a same. Here var is a function scoped, meaning it's available through the function is declared in. Let is a block scoped, so it is only accessible within the block is declared. And constant is also block scoped, but once you assign a value it cannot be changed. Remember, when we use constant we don't value the change, and let when you accept to modify it. Next, we discuss about the arrays. Arrays are used to store the multiple values in a single variable. In JavaScript, you can create an array using square brackets. Here, when declaring array, let fruits is equal to apple, banana, cherry. Here we use console.log to print the array. Arrays are zero indexed, meaning the first element at index 0. You can access an element using its index like this: console.log of fruits of 0. Here fruits of 0 will return the value apple. You can also change the values or add new elements to an array using indices or an array methods like push. Here fruits of 1 is equal to mango, means we are changing banana to mango in a array. Fruits dot push is equal to orange, means adds orange at the end of an array. Arrays are super useful when you need to work with list of data. Okay, now we move on to the functions. Functions means, in functions are the block of code which are designed to perform a specific task. You can think of them as mini program inside the programs. There are different ways to declare a function in JavaScript. Here function greet, console.log hello, welcome to my channel. Here greet is a function name, and we use function name to call the same function. You can also pass values called parameters of a function. Here function greet user of name. Here name is a called parameter which replaces the value. Here Ramesh is the parameter of a greet user function. There are also array function syntax which is used for writing functions. Constant add is equal to a comma b. Array function is used here. Functions help us to write a reusable code which performs more efficiently. Here functions help us to reusable code and problems more efficiently. Now we talk about the objects. Objects are way to group related data and functions together. They are collections of key value pairs. Now we are declared an array object. Car is equal to brand, model, year, start engine. In start engine we can write function which engine started. So we can accessing objects by dot notation, like car dot brand which returns the Toyota. Car dot start engine is a function, so it returns functions inside the object. In this example, brand, model, properties of car object, and starting engine method. We can also add our object properties like this. Car dot color is equal to red, adds a new property. Car dot year is equal to 2023, updates the year. Objects allow to organize your data logically and efficiently. Now talk about loops. Loops are used to okay. Here which chord that here updates the year. Now we talk about the loops. Loops are used to run a block of code multiple times. JavaScript offers several types of loops, but most common are the loops and while loops. Here basic of loops looks for let I is equal to 0, I less than 5, I plus plus. Here loop will run 5 times, printing the value I from 0 to 4. The loop has three parts: initialization, condition, and increment. Here I is equal to 0 is initialization, and I less than 5 is a condition, and I plus plus is a updatation. So we have while loops which run long as a condition is true. Let I is equal to 0 while I less than 5. Here loop retrace 4 times. Because in while loop we had no specific conditions to stop the loop. Loops help us to handle the repetitive over arrays. Example: fruits is equal to apple, mango, cherry. Let I is equal to 0, fruits length I plus plus. They will print the all array items in a conclusion. Sir, that's it. We covered all the topics: variables, arrays, and functions, object in loop. Thank you for giving this opportunity.